what is SEO and what are the black hat practices. So, SEO is a term that stands for search engine optimization, and Sir has already told you about it that you need to be in the good books of Google so that it boosts your website's ranking. And whenever someone searches or types something that is related to your content, your website comes in the top ranks of Google. So it's basically a method that helps in the growing or increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic, because if search engine optimization is not there, there is no regulator through which websites are indexed in a specific number, then there will be a traffic jam. There will be a lot of confusion and mess. And to make it easy for the user, we have search engine optimization. And at the user end, it's for the web crawlers to filter and index the numbers, but at the user end, it makes it convenient for us to generate information about what we need. And as a creator of a website, the third person who's creating the website and wants to upload his or her content on the internet, there are many techniques through which he can optimize it and boost his ranking. So, and then there are two methods. Obviously, in everything we do, there are two methods, the good way and the bad way to go about anything. So, before entering into it, we'll see what are black hat practices. So, black hat, like the term, refers to illegal or link building strategies that improve the web positioning, but they involve breaking of rules of search engines, or for example, in Google, it means breaking the rules of webmasters guidelines. So, these methods include, there are many, and examples of these are cloaking, stuffing, hidden text, or link farms. So these are basically illegal, and if caught doing these practices, if a website owner or a company is caught engaging in these practices, then they are heavily penalized. And many a times, Google de-indexes. I mean, if Google gets angry, he de-indexes their website from its search engine completely. So let's get into the first practice that is illegal, which is cloaking.